In exercise 1.3, we are asked to simplify the following. The higher you go, the tougher it becomes. Now, in this exercise, we now have constants, not just a variable. You may see some exercises that are not just in one variable, but we are trying to complicate things because you may end up seeing problems that are more complicated than this. So we are asked to simplify the following. 2c cubed times 7c raised to power 5. In this exercise, we are not being specific on if we are to use the expanded method or if we are to apply the indices law of addition. So I'm going to apply the indices law of addition. So this is equal to, I'm going to multiply the coefficients, after which I'll multiply the laters. So this is going to be 2 times 7 times c to power 3 times c to power 5. This is equal to 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. C raised to the power of 3 plus 5. This is equal to 14c raised to the power of 8. 2, this is equal to, multiply the coefficients, that is 3 times 4 times 5, to be multiplied by a raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of 3 times a raised to the power of 7. This is equal to 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So this is said to be 60 a raised to the power of 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So this is 60a raised to the power of 12. Question 3. 5 squared times m raised to the power of 3 times 5m raised to the power of 6. Now, in this exercise, the coefficient of m raised to the power of 6 is 5. The coefficient of m cubed is 1, while this is 5 squared. So I'm going to multiply out the coefficient from each of them. This becomes 5 squared times, definitely the coefficient of m cubed is 1, so you can either put it or leave it, times 5 raised to the power of 1 into bracket m cubed times m raised to the power of 6, so that this is equal to 5 squared times 5 raised to the power of 1 is said to be 5 raised to the power of 3, 5 cubed, m times m raised to the power of 3 plus 6, which is 9. So this is your answer. Question 4. We have 5 times 7 squared times 5 squared times 7 raised to the power of 5. This is equal to, I'm collecting like terms, 5 raised to the power of 1 times 5 squared to be multiplied by 7 squared times 7 raised to the power 5. This is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3 times 7 raised to the power of 7. This is your answer. And for question number 5, this is said to be, multiplying out the coefficient, you have 10 times 15 times 3 to be multiplied by x to power 2 times x to power 5 times x to power 7. This is equal to 10 times 15 gives us 150, and 150 times 3 is 450. X raised to the power of 2 plus 5 plus 7 is 14. So this is our answer. And question number 6, you multiply out the coefficient as we did in others. So this becomes 8 times 10 times 11 times p squared times p raised to the power of 5 times p to power 8. This is equal to 8 times 11 is 88. 88 times 10 is 880 p raised to the power of 2 plus 5 plus 8. That will be p raised to the power of 15. So this is your answer. And for question number 7, this is equal to 11 times 7 into u squared times u cubed times v, so that this is equal to 77 u raised to the power of 5v. I hope you are following what I'm doing. Question 8, this will be equal to 6 times 8 times 4 into a raised to the power of 4 times a raised to the power of 6 times a squared, which is equal to 6 times 8 is 48. 48 times 4, 4 times 8 is 32. You write down 2 and carry 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So we have 192a raised to the power of 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So we have it as 192a raised to the power of 12. Question number 9, this is equal to a raised to the power of 4x plus 5x. The law still stands. So long as the bases are equal, add their powers. So this is equal to a raised to the power of 4x plus 5x gives us 9x. I'm going to leave question number 10 for you to solve, and give me your answers at the comment section. Don't forget to like this video as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel or follow my page if you are yet to do so. Also, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. I also advise that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this class. That brings us to the end of today's class. In today's class, we have been able to look at the indices law of addition. We have been able to prove to you that the law holds. See you in our next class, where we shall be looking at the indices law of subtraction. Do have a nice day. Good day.